Hello again, bag builders, it's Diane from Spencer Og Sewing Patterns. I'm popping on with a bit of a surprise today. No, it's not a new pattern, it's an unbelievable pattern bundle offer that's running for just 1 week and it finishes on the 18th of September. 25 sewing patterns for just $24.99. If you're in the UK, that equates to about £19. And there may be a little sales tax to pay on top of that depending on what country you're in. And that is 90% off the normal price of these 25 patterns. It's a massive sewing pattern deal. Yes, 25 patterns from 24 well-loved pattern designers, and I'm in there too. The link to purchase is in the text below, or you can find it on my website at www.spencerog.com. The bundle has been carefully curated for you by the team at Sew Modern Bags to incorporate tote bags, purses, fanny packs, wallets, crossbodies, backpacks, even storage projects, so it gives you a little bit of everything. You get 25 full sewing pattern PDF downloads in the bundle, and they're all the full patterns with step-by-step instructions that you'd get if you were paying full price. Some even have videos and some SVGs too. Even if you already own 1 or 2 of these excellent patterns, it's still a fabulous deal to get the rest at such a discounted price. This year I've included my ever popular beginner-friendly Amplector pack in the bundle, which can be made with the hybrid L strap, as a bum bag, as a clutch, or with a regular crossbody strap, and it comes in 2 sizes. If you want to know all the details of the pattern that I'm including, I'll tag the Amplector introduction video at the end of this, so you can see more of the details for just one of the patterns included. Yes, you get all this from my pattern, basically for $1, that's less than £1, and that's just one of the 25. It could keep you going for months, this bundle. You can find the link to purchase this bundle in the text below this video, or head to my website or my Facebook group. So grab your bundle now before it disappears forever. It's a limited time offer, and the last day to buy the bundle is the 18th of September 2024. After that, poof, it's gone for good. So what are you waiting for? Go sew. Here's the intro video for my included pattern. Just think, 24 more patterns included on top of this one. Hello bag builders, it's Diane from Spencer Og Sewing Patterns, just popping on to introduce you to my new sewing pattern and video tutorial. This is the Amplector, the bag that gives you a hug. It's a full written pattern with in-depth colour photos, full-size pattern pieces for 2 sizes and complete video sew-along. This versatile bag comes in 2 sizes with 4 different strap variations, so it's 8 patterns in one. The inspiration came as I was designing the Bummety Bum Bag tutorial. I was kind of experimenting with making it into a crossbody, and it made me wonder why we have both straps coming from the top on a crossbody bag. Surely it'd be more comfortable to have a hybrid design where you have one coming from the top but the other attached at the side. And voila, the Amplector was conceived, and it works a treat. Amplector is Latin for hug or embrace, and that's exactly what this bag does. It hugs the body in a smooth silhouette that's both flattering and comfortable. It's suitable for confident beginners, and as with all my patterns, I always spend a lot of time engineering and considering how and where layers are building up so it can be made happily on a domestic machine. This bag has 8 different options, 2 sizes and 4 ways to make it. In addition to the L-strap option that we've talked about, I've also given full instructions for making it as a bum bag, with a regular crossbody strap, and even as a clutch. And with 2 sizes for each. Also included are full instructions for using rectangle adjusters or a side adjuster buckle. We're tending to wear our bags smaller and higher these days, and this fits the bill perfectly. The configuration of the strap means it hugs the body and moves with you, a little like a bum bag does, without the need for anything around your waist. Bum bags are really useful, but they're not very forgiving, and that's where my idea stemmed from, after seeing how popular my recent bum bag tutorial had actually been. So the small was the first size I developed, as I wanted something for myself just for nipping out with a dog, or to the local shop, or to just pop over my coat. And it kind of did the job of a bum bag, but in a more flattering way. I can easily get an XL phone, keys, Lewis wallet, mask, and maybe even a few dog bits in there. If worn high, you can do anything in it in comfort. I don't even need to take it off when doing something active, it sits so close to the body. Once I perfected the small size, I realised that it would probably work well slightly larger too, for travel, shopping, festivals, etc. And so I developed a more generous size. It's more secure for travel than a regular crossbody, as it's so much closer to your body rather than swinging against your hip. The Spencer Ogg original strap design of the Amplector ensures a lovely slim shape, made that way so it does sit close to the body, but with feature side panels to give it a 3D look. The front pocket is a great place to showcase a feature fabric, and there's an option to add a closure too. It has a large zip compartment, and inside is a generous slip pocket. The bag magically turns through this at the end, so there's no hand stitching or binding required anywhere. I've used chunky 1.5 inch cotton webbing as I like the chunky strap look, but you can use any width of webbing you want to. It's suitable for most medium weight fabrics, including canvas, home deck weights, waterproof canvas, cork, vinyl, oilskin, denim. I'm actually loving the waterproof canvas look for a real outdoorsy type bag. It also works great for men in wax canvas, oilskin and vinyls. It's a lovely, easy make, and you need less than half a yard of fabric to make it. It comes together really quickly, whichever size or strap option you choose. The finished size for the small is 23 by 15 centimetres. That's 9.25 by 6 inches. The large is 28.5 by 20 centimetres, and that's 11.25 by 8 inches. Have a look at some of these amazing bags my testers made using the pattern. The different looks are endless. They're such a talented lot. The pattern is available for purchase now on the link in the text below the video. It's instant download and prints onto US letter size or A4 paper. It has full-size computer drafted pattern pieces for both sizes, and the video sew-along is included. Find more of my patterns and bag making hardware at spencerogg.com. For regular free bag making tutorials, do subscribe to my YouTube channel while you're on here. And of course, feel free to join my bag making Facebook board for help and support with my patterns and general bag making chat. And of course, to post the photos of your finished projects. I love seeing them. So why not make the bag that gives you a hug, the Amplector? What are you waiting for? Go sew!